All right, good morning. Today is September 27th. We're gonna get started a trade. It's pretty cold up here and where I live. Got a sweater on. Ball's already here. All right. Looking at weekly of US30. I don't really use fibs, but I understand a little bit about it. Basically, we see this downtrend, and this is a weekly time frame chart, and we hit that. What was it? A monthly low, monthly support, right? And we just possibly gonna retrace. There's clean traffic to the left. You go on the daily. Yet right now today it's going bullish, I think, and it created a higher low so far. So I think that you know maybe 9:30 opening bell, we might get some buys above here just because it's going up. And if that happens, then the weekly flips bullish. And it's market never goes in a straight line all the time. Might do some retracements, but right now the daily time frame is bullish. I think the weekly was bullish too. Yeah. Oh no, a little bearish. 4 hours still in that consolidation range. And what I know is when it breaks out, it's just gonna shoot up real quick, right? So maybe some impulse entries, impulse buys. Um, but I'm gonna be conservative. Hourly can see this on just going sideways right now. Um, Thought I might have seen a pattern, but it doesn't matter. I don't trade off patterns. So yeah, man, we got what time was this? 5 o'clock. Yeah, it went bullish 6, 7:30. 7:30. Powell spoke today. Said something. What did he say? Token sensation. How about crypto? What the hell? Anyways, we got news at 8:30 and then again at 10 o'clock. So maybe we might get some trades in today. We'll see. Because we got news at 10, maybe 8:30, there's lots of good times to just wait and see what for a good setup. Again, same thing as yesterday here. If we get a buys above this wick, you can get a move about 80 points. That is the hourly resistance over here. But if it continues to break, you can see on the 4 hours just super clean. So at least what I want to do is capture a little bit of a few points, right? Daily's bullish, 4 hour right now is being bullish, but we needed to break the previous 4 hour. And then this is all clean to the left. So, at least like 200 points. Now going down to 30, as you see, it's just ranging. So no interest in this whole area. No interest at all. No, let's see this 1 hour. Do we see? 77, 146. Oh, maybe I would take this sell. Because here on a 30-minute is clean, which means on the 15 should be easy. 1 hour does have a little bit of a support there. And the 4 hour has been holding that. So maybe I will take sells below here. Right. Sells below there. But I'm more so favoring buys above. All right, so those are my setups, my analysis for today. Yeah, just gonna draw them onto MetaTrader 5 and we'll wait till 8:30, see what the market has for us. All right, so here on Blueberry, right now we see this wick rejection. 2 seconds. Let's see. We got news at 8:30. The 30-minute close in the doji, and it's not really clean traffic to the left. You got this little support. It's a little messy, and honestly, it could probably just move like 30 points. I'm not really feeling that. Like if this flips bearish, Typically I would do a trade, but we're still in a range. And as I said, I don't like these ranges. You look at this support right here. I'm not going to be risking 30 points to make, it could even stop right here, 4 points or 26. You got a 30-minute setup, but I just don't know. Let's see what the numbers show. Okay, pretty much inconclusive, nothing happening, not much movement. So yeah, I mean 1 hour is there. Yeah, I think the safest route is just wait for 9 a.m. to close. That way you'll have your 4 a.m. candle closing, your 1 hour, your 30-minute from the 4 hour time frame and lower. All these candles are closing. So it's a better confirmation to see where the 4 hour wants to close. You can see from, yeah, I mean, this 4 hour right now looks like it's just sideways, right? Big upper wick rejection. Now here we have a big lower wick rejection. We don't know where we want to go. So I think that's it. And if this drops all the way to support, it's fine, right? We'll have a possible setup down here. Like, look how much cleaner this is over here. That is so much cleaner, right? Compared to here, you got some messiness. You got support here, support here. This is clean, but you gotta, we ain't gonna do that. So yeah, I'm gonna pause here and I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. All right, so right now it's 9 a.m. Um, as I said, you can see here, yeah, it flipped bearish and it dropped. I think it happened. Yes, there's some consolidation. It happened in 45, 50, 55. Yeah, so it happened in the middle. It just broke it, but there's still no setup. You know, this would be a 60-point drop, 60-point risk. Actually, no, lower than that because I'm trying to see if it made a lower low, but no. So yeah, 60-point risk. It only made 60 points. Would have got a 1-to-1, but it's a risky thing. And now there's more. There's no lower wick there, but now there's more. I think a higher probability that it could just drop down. Let's look at a 4 hour. Ooh, not a good sign. 4 hour closing a doji. Basically indecision. Stuck in the range. Nothing's gonna happen. But I will still take sells below this because it's nice and clean. Daily is remaining bullish. 1 hour consolidation. So maybe we'll wait till what time was the news again? 10 o'clock. So maybe 10 o'clock, 9:30, and then 10 o'clock are some possible trade times with high volume, high momentum. That's what I'm gonna wait for. All right. So right now we got, all right. So right now we got 4 seconds till it opens, but there's no range, man. Just straight consolidation. No interest here to trade. Let's go to MetaTrader. As I said, you know, it flipped it, but there's a little support here. I ain't gonna take this. But we are breaking on the lows. So maybe, you know, we could take some trades below here. But I need a closure. So the earliest I could take a trade below that would be 9:45, but there's no news at 9:45. So just don't make sense. Yeah, see, here's the 15-minute candle. Right at 6, so right at 9 a.m. it dropped, went up. Flippers. Ah, man. Let's check out gold. Just consolidation. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I don't know if anything's gonna happen here. Gotta be patient. Just waiting. So you know what? I'm gonna wait. I'll come back in 15 minutes, man. Nothing's happening. Nothing's safe. It's printing. Hey, I Right, so here at 9:45, we just flipped bullish, and this thing looks like it could pop up. But this 15-minute candle closed below the zone. So, and it hasn't broken it at all on the 15. So, and there's no news at 9:45. Basically, I just sit here and wait. Um, I want to see a 30-minute candle close outside. And if we get a closure outside, then that's fine. If we get a fake out, that's also fine because now we have a clean traffic to the left to clean up. And then it'll just quickly go down to support. We got news at 10, so that all adds up, and we'll see. We'll see if it all makes sense. But right now, there's no trade, so just gonna sit here and wait. All right, 10 o'clock. Nothing, man. I think I'm gonna go take a rest. Consumer evidence coming in. Honestly, no. Setup. I mean, here, we've been in range. I'm just gonna wait for a closure because I'm heading into no fake outs and just lose money for nothing. Here, 4 hour, actually, 4 hour might break that low. 1 hour might break that low. Let's do a half risk. Look, 4 hour closing the doji. Failed to break up, could break down. 1 hour's in a doji. Clear support, clean traffic to the left. Still sticking with the bias that I gave, early morning. Um, 15-minute time frame. I'm gonna try to manage this based off, current candle, and I'm gonna close 90% at 50 points. Got a 2-to-1 risk though, which is nice. But yeah, man, just need 50 possible. Let's see. I might wait for a 5-minute break. It's dropped. It's a 15. Look for this. Let's see what happens. This little bit's 9 a.m. Already wicked up. Yeah, so the 4-hour close on the doji already wicked up. Oh shit. Minute left. Oh, okay. So I'm in 50 and closing 90%. Right at 50 points. Because we don't know what's gonna happen. But we got a break. And this is only half risk. So I did half risk because one, the market's been tough. Market's been choppy. We got a break. See, it's 5 minutes. If I lose, then I lose, and it's all good. Small amount. Right? But when you look at a bigger time frames, 4-hour, right? 4-hour broke the previous low, clean traffic to the left. 1 hour broke that doji, clean traffic to the left. 30-minute broke that low. I saw MFE 20 points, not bad. Right? 20 seconds to this 5-minute closes. So let's see. It's a 1.9 lot. Stop loss. Target. See there. 5-minute. Oh, did 5-minute? Where did 5-minute close? Just at support. I'll watch the 30-minute. This is based off a 1-hour break, a 4-hour break. We'll watch the 30-minute here. Right, 5-minute close bearish. We'll see. What is this? Number. Actually, let's see the news. What is the result of the news? Oh, it's positive. Okay, felt good. Index. Yeah, boy, I think this made the market drop like crazy. Let's see, we'll manage risk still based off 5 minutes, I guess. So the home sales, number of homes sold. And gold dropped. Okay, just hit resistance. Yeah. Dropped pretty nice. Hmm. I want this 5 minute continue bearish, especially if this 15 minute can close bearish. That would be very nice. And we want that to close bearish. Now if this one breaks a low, see we're okay, we're breaking that low. Yeah, I could hit this clean bar right there on the 15 minute. Should be able to drop it. I feel like it might just hit near it but not tap it. So we shall see what happens. Honestly, I think it'll be able to drop it all the way. How come I can't zoom in? 47.50. There we go. 50 points. All right. So profit secured. Orders. This made sense. 83 bucks. Not too bad. Again, I did half risk. I would have made 60 bucks, but it's okay. One, the market's choppy. The market is just so tight right now. I'm not too. Profit is a profit. 342.28. Right, and then now I got a 20-cent lot on, which will, if it hits target, I get 30 bucks, 39 bucks. That's not bad. Reason why again I took 50 points is because the market is choppy. The market's choppy. I'm not gonna expect to get a 1-to-1, even though I did risk 130 points. Hey man, 50 points is all good for me. It moved 63. 50 points is okay for me. So it's all good. So yeah, let's stop. 89.54. Okay, so we're 2 points above. Yeah. 50. We don't want that. So yeah, honestly, everything looks good. I'll probably get stopped out now, which is perfectly fine because I secured 50 points. There we go, stopped out. Perfect. So let's see. Okay, you got 65 cents on that. Overall today made less than 0.5%, which is okay. It was a risky trade. Market wasn't too good, but I'm consistent, and I just like that execution on how I just decided 50 points. Let's close 90%, right? Because this ain't. So here on my trading journal today, 10:03, took an impulse entry. Setup was based off the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, right? So if you look at the small box there, 4 hour created a doji, and then basically broke that low. Also in the 1 hour, had a doji, broke that low. The entry setup was based off a 30-minute, right? Nice clean support over here. And then it broke that low, which you can see here with the red one. Just decided 50 points. 50 points should be doable given the range that it's been moving. So half risk, no emotions. Closed 90% at 50 points. Got stopped out at entry, and yeah, made just 85 bucks, which is okay. Back in the green today. You know, I feel like September I might end off break even, just around the 20K mark. But there's a lot of lessons that I learned, and I like that. I learned to appreciate the 5 minutes, and this was an impulse one, and you see that it retraced up a little bit. I could have done the wick bill entry, but I'm not into that. You know, and now this might just drop, but the 5 minute thing, I've gotten better at holding that. And FOMC, the review that I did, is amazing. So I think that's it for today. Rick is pretty choppy. It already dropped below this, so if it drops even more, like another 80 points, it's not too clean. So that's it for today, guys. I'll be back tomorrow trading. What's on the news tomorrow? Let's see. Tomorrow, nothing. Wow, nothing. Okay. So nothing's gonna happen tomorrow. Maybe it might be another slow one. I mean, Powell's talking, but not even a red folder. So we'll see. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much, and see you guys tomorrow.